Welcome to WorkCover Western Australia. This short video will help you lodge your workers' compensation claim. Workers' compensation protects workers by providing income payments to cover lost wages, payments for medical and rehabilitation expenses, and other entitlements. Every employer is required to have an insurance policy to cover workers injured during the course of their work. You are entitled to make a compensation claim if you are a worker and suffer an injury at work requiring medical treatment or time off. Full-time, part-time, casual, and other types of workers can make a claim. If you're injured at work, tell your employer and get medical treatment. Ask your treating doctor for a first certificate of capacity. A first certificate of capacity is required to lodge a workers' compensation claim with your employer. Your employer will provide you with a claim form, or you can download it from our website. It is important you complete the form's Declaration and Consent Authority so your employer's insurer can process your claim without delay. Give the original form and first certificate of capacity to your employer, and keep copies for your own records. Your employer must complete their part of the claim form and send the paperwork to their insurer within 7 days of receiving it from you. The insurer then has 14 days to assess and decide your claim and will allocate a case manager to it. While your claim is being assessed, you may want to consider using sick or annual leave. If your claim is accepted, any leave you have used will be reinstated by your employer. The insurer will make a decision to accept or decline your claim and will notify you of this decision. If the insurer requires more time to make a decision, they can defer a decision on the claim for a short period while they collect and consider further information. If the insurer does not make or defer a decision on your claim within 14 days, your claim is taken to be accepted. If your claim is accepted, your workers' compensation entitlements commence. This may include income compensation, medical expenses, and rehabilitation. If a decision on your claim is deferred, there are usually no entitlements paid to you until a final decision is made. Your case manager can give you further information about why the decision on your claim has been deferred and what information is still needed. If the insurer does not make a final decision within 28 days of receiving your claim, provisional payments will commence. This may include income compensation and reasonable medical and health expenses. If the insurer declines your claim, no entitlements will be paid. If you disagree with a decision made by the insurer, or if you consider a decision is taking too long, speak to your case manager and ask for a review. WorkCover WA can also provide assistance with formal dispute resolution via our conciliation and arbitration services. If you need it, help is available. Talk to your case manager about the claim, your entitlements, and the assistance they can provide. You can also speak with one of our advisory officers by calling 1300 794 744. We have a range of publications, resources, and other educational videos to help you on our website.